Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to download Telegram on your PC or laptop. So let's start. So open your Chrome browser and simply click Telegram. And click on first link, Telegram Messenger. And here you can see Telegram for Android, Telegram for iPhone, iPad. You just click on Telegram for PC or Linux. And here you can see get Telegram for Windows. Click on it and your Telegram or download start. It takes some time according your net speed. And you can see here our Telegram download successfully. Now time to open it. Minimize this window and here select setup language, so English. Click OK. Click next. Click next. Click next. And here ready to install, just click on install. Installation begin. And you can see here Telegram add to our desktop. Click finish and Telegram automatically open, so click here start message. And here two ways to connect your Telegram on laptop: by using scan QR code or log in using your phone number. You can just click on here log in using your phone number and here enter your phone number. Click next and here a code was sent via Telegram, so open your Telegram and fill the code here. Click next and you can see here our Telegram joined successfully and you can control your Telegram using laptop. I hope so you like this video. Please make sure to subscribe my channel for more updates and also follow on Instagram, link in description. Goodbye.